Need HP support for your HP product? You can now contact HP through WhatsApp, making it easy for you to communicate with us. You can access HP support through our very own WhatsApp support account on your computer or on your smartphone. It's easy. Depending on what country or region you are contacting us from, there are several entry points, including HPSA, Virtual Agent, Visual VR, or on the web. If you're on the web, all you need to do is click Contact Support, select your product type, enter your serial number, and check your warranty status. You will then be presented with multiple options for support. Depending on your product and warranty status, you might see the WhatsApp option during your region's business hours. This will enable you to connect with one of our support agents. Not all of our agent teams are available 24/7, but you can still continue the conversation, and as soon as someone is available, they'll respond to your inquiry. You can start chatting with an HP agent on your web browser by scanning the QR code. If you don't have a WhatsApp account, you'll need to install it first in order to get started. Now, you can chat with an agent on the web and on your phone. This can be done simultaneously, which is especially beneficial for sending photos, voice recording, and communicating with an agent through more than just text. You can send a photo directly to the HP support agent through your phone so they can help you diagnose and troubleshoot your issue. On WhatsApp, you can even send a video of the issue you're having to the HP agent. No data is ever lost, and the interaction remains in the chat history, which can be accessed at any time on your browser or on your phone. Why WhatsApp? It's easy to use, and your data is secured because all messages are encrypted. The next time you need to contact an HP agent for your HP product, consider using WhatsApp, connecting you and HP through one of social media's top 3 messaging apps in the world.